Hey grillers, Brad here from BB Grill Shack. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean out an old pellet grill. A lot of us love pellet grills. I love pellet grills. I've got a really nice old Traeger and it's going to last for a long time as long as I maintain it. If you don't maintain it, your fire might go out, or I've even seen cases where it explodes. Mine exploded once, not too bad, but it was because I didn't clean it. I let it go out and then the wood gas kind of builds up in there, and once it sparks, boom, it explodes. So we prevent that by proper maintenance, and what we're going to need is a grill scraper, aluminum foil, and a shop vac. And I'm going to show you guys the steps to get this cleaned today. For the first step, I'm going to take out the grill, the drip pan, and the heat diffuser. Next, take your trusty grill scraper and you're going to scrape out any big chunks or flaky areas on the inside of your pellet smoker. After you've scraped out all the big chunks, we're going to use a shop vac to vacuum out all the ash inside the smoker. There's actually quite a bit, so make sure you get everywhere with the shop vac. Now we're going to start putting the grill back together. Make sure to put a handful of pellets into the fire pit just to pre-prime it, otherwise it might not start. And then we're going to put it back together and we're going to put some new aluminum foil on our drip pan. So after you put the grill back together, the next steps are going to be to preheat it before you cook something and use the grill scraper again to scrape the grates off. After that, you're good to go and clean it again in the next 2 to 3 smokes. Alright grillers, as always, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking out the video. Get out there, get grilling, clean your pellet grill after every 2 to 3 grills. If you want to see more videos, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I can't say it enough. That's going to be the best way for you to see my new videos. If you want to see my new content in general, head over to bbgrillshack.com, subscribe to my newsletter, follow me on social media at bbgrillshack, and I'll see you next time for the next video. Thanks again.